Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus BI tools. We'll explore their distinct capabilities and ideal use cases. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program, perfect for individual tasks and smaller data sets. BI tools, however, are designed for enterprise-level data analysis, offering robust features for large-scale reporting and interactive dashboards. Choosing the right tool depends entirely on your specific data needs and organizational goals. Excel remains a go-to for many due to its familiarity and ease of use. It's perfect for quick one-off analyses and managing smaller datasets, often up to 1 million rows. You can rapidly perform calculations, create custom formulas, and generate basic visualizations without extensive setup. For personal finance, simple lists, or quick data manipulation, Excel offers unmatched flexibility and immediate results. For enterprise-level data, BI tools like Power BI or Tableau are indispensable. They effortlessly handle massive datasets, often processing millions of rows, and provide advanced, interactive dashboards. These platforms excel at sophisticated data modeling, automated reporting, and ensuring data consistency across an organization. With features for collaboration and real-time updates, BI tools empower teams to make data-driven decisions efficiently. Deciding between Excel and BI tools boils down to your specific requirements. If you're working with smaller personal datasets or need quick ad hoc analysis, Excel is likely your best bet. However, for large-scale data, complex reporting, interactive dashboards, and team collaboration, BI tools are the superior choice. Many businesses effectively leverage both, using Excel for individual tasks and BI for broader organizational insights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.